Good morning and best wishes from Canada. My name is Garfield Dukutsuri Nicole. I'm an academic who teaches at McGill University. I'm a practicing Christian who for many years has been involved in ecumenical and interfaith dialogue. Having served as the ecumenical officer for an order of chivalry dating back to the Crusades for several years before becoming the local commander, I had the great privilege of working with many clergy and people of different faiths. We work together to bring a greater understanding of differing values to those who were open to a global, caring, and sharing of ideas to accomplish a world where differences were not only accepted, but celebrated, and peace was the ultimate goal of all groups. It is my hope and admiration that I extend my sincere congratulations to Professor Dr. Shabazz Manj and all the participants of the International Conference titled Unity in Diversity, Insights from the Prophetic Visions for World Peace, taking place on April 20th, 2024 at Punjab University in Lahore, Pakistan. The theme of your conference, Unity in Diversity, is not only timely, but also imperative for fostering global peace and understanding in our increasingly interconnected and yet divided world. The leadership and dedication of Professor Shabazz Manj in organizing such a monumental event alongside the esteemed organizations Horizon Research Technologies, London, United Kingdom, the Islamic Center of Daejeon, South Korea, International Federation for World Peace and Harmony in Lahore, Pakistan, and Al-Qamar Islamic Research Institute, Lahore, Pakistan, is truly inspiring to me. Professor Shabazz Manj's unwavering commitment over the years to bridge gaps between cultures, faiths, and communities through dialogue, research, and education has made significant strides towards achieving a more harmonious and global, peaceful society. The efforts to unite diverse voices under the common goal of world peace and harmony also helps here with my work in Canada, where multiculturalism and diversity are celebrated and nurtured. The Unity and Diversity Conference is a beacon of hope and a testament to the power of collective action and mutual respect. It is a privilege to witness from afar the impactful work you are doing, and I am confident that this conference will further catalyze meaningful conversations and actionable insights towards our shared vision of a peaceful, united world. Please accept my sincere congratulations on organizing such an important, comprehensive event and wishes for its resounding success. May the conference inspire all the participants and observers to continue working towards a world where diversity is not just tolerated, but cherished as a source of strength and unity for everyone, and for this to be a great success in the 21st century. Thank you for inviting me to address you.